Tony Robbins famously said, most people overestimate what they can do in a year and underestimate what they can do in 2 or 3 decades. If you look at my desk back here, it is evident that teachers have a never-ending list of things to do, because that's why their desks look like that all the time. It's not just because they're slobs. From lesson planning to classroom setup, bus duty, lunch duty, hall duty,
cooking duty,
grading, holiday parties, birthday parties, after-school programs, parent meetings, IEP meetings, professional development meetings, PLC meetings.
No more meetings! No more meetings!
The list is literally never ending. This can all be wildly overwhelming. However, one of the ways to knock that list down and to really get things done during the week, I think, is to pick only 3 things to do a day. It is your 3 essentials of the day. Now, this might not seem like a lot, but sometimes when we look at a to-do list and it's so overwhelming, it can make you stop and not want to do anything at all. But when you look at just 3 things, it can really allow you to really focus in on those things and do a better job on 3 things that day than to do 10 things but not do them so well. Mr. Rogers used to say that simple and deep is far better than wide and complex. So consider narrowing your view this week and see how you can go simple and deep on the things that you need to do. And remember that 3 things today means 15 things this week, means 60 things this month that you can get done. And in doing that, you're lowering your to-do list and your blood pressure.